Now you've put in the new key that you want to rekey it to. You put in your pindles and into the holes, and you have to make sure that each one is completely flush. Now that all 5 pindles are inside its hole, insert the cylinder back at 90 degrees, push the gold tube out, and now your key works. Gently remove the key from the cylinder, otherwise you'll pull out this cylinder and remove the top pindles completely. Once the cylinder has been put in, reinsert the spring and top pin, put on the cap again, and to close the cap you have to push down on the pin itself again.